to my channel. I'm Annie and you're watching Forever Code with Honey. Let's get begin. Hello guys, today we are going to make this landing page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and for these animation we are using scroll magic, GSAP and TwinMax. So this is the preview how it looks at the end, how it looking. Please comment below. The animation is very cool. So this is the preview of the landing page and a cherry on a top. We are also making a slider which is also animated using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get begin. This is the project folder. I have already inserted the images and opened the folder in the Visual Studio Code. This is the folder which I have so now we will create this project from scratch. So we will close the older one. Okay, now with this we are going to open the folder here. We are going to run this application on the live server of which is the plugin which has a plugin in Visual Studio Code. So install the plugin in the Visual Studio Code called live server, which will help you to run the project at a live server. So we have opened the project folder which has the images, and now we will create the remaining project files. So we will create a file called index.html. It will create soon. Okay, it is created. Now we will open it and start coding. Okay, now we will write the code for the main HTML page. Write the basic HTML code. If you are a new user watching this video, go check my other videos also after this video, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe, because I upload more videos like this in future. And press the bell icon to stay updated and get notified when I upload a new video, so you get the knowledge when I upload for first time. Okay, now we will create a div class with name nav for the navigation bar. I have added the script for JSP, sedan link for the GSP and scroll magic, and Ajax anime JavaScript file, and I have also included the CSS file and JavaScript file. So now we are going to create another div for the UL and ALL, sorry, LI. So this is the logo of the our project. Landing page is just for the promotion of any product that will animate or it will show up the product features. So it is called just a marketing of the product, which it helps to sell the product more easily. So now we will create a li tag. First, our first, add the class active, which will indicate that we are on that page. Now we will create more li tags, copy just this and paste it, and rename the product. Remove here the class active and replace the product text with shop and other more menu which you want to add. As now our menu has just created, now add another section for the animated portals we have added. So we will create it in this section. I will link the code in the description box so you can check out, or if you want to use, just use it, but give credit. Okay, I will just enlarge the font. Okay, I have enlarged the font. Now you can see the code more visibly. Now we will add a div. We will add here the bottles and the water splash of the juices. This is a juice a product marketing landing page. You can create any of the product landing page with the same animation with different images. You can get the images from the Google. Use vector images for the better quality of your landing page. Now we have added a image. Copy the first and paste it and rename the sections and the images also. If you have any suggestion, please comment down below, and if you have any idea which in which I want to make a video, or if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. I will make a video on that also. And guys, please support, please subscribe, because I'm a new user and this is my YouTube channel. I create more videos like this on graphic designing, UX designing, and web designing. It will help you also, and I am also learning with this. So please subscribe. So now we will create another div class. Now this is the names I have entered. Just follow the steps and you will get the results, same results. Now we will run it. We will open the index.html file on live server. For this, you have to install the plugin live server on your Visual Studio Code. So please install that first. Okay, it has not responded. Just okay. Now we have, this is the preview, but it is not animated because we have not write the JS code. You will see at the bottom that it is showing the port because we are using the live server for you running our project. So now we will create another section. For the orange glass animation we have create which we have made it. So for this, just add any title you want before that. If you want any other videos or any other type of videos, also comment in the comment section, so I know, so I will get it know. And if you have suggestions on this video also, please comment below. It will help me to understand that you guys are understanding my videos or not. I am adding a title and a subtitle. You can add only a title or a subtitle you want that. Now we were creating the animations. For that we have to create a div class which will contain the images for the animation. Now copy this and paste and change the section name and image name as we done before. Now we have created the fourth section and with some title and subtitle. Add a image in the div class. We will adding here the three bottles which will change randomly with the animation. Not randomly, it will in the sequence, but it will change with the animation on the same place. So copy this and paste two times more and change the section name and image name. It is added the bottles and the images, but it is not animated because we have not written the JS code. So now we will written the JS code. So get into it. First we will write the JS code for the landing page. We will add a document with event listener. Add event listener to the document. Copy the steps which I have written on the screen. Add controller variable with scroll magic. Add timeline max. For the animation of the each images we have added on the section 1, add the y axis and x axis and the ease for it with ease in out. Copy this and paste for other images also. Rename the section name. Now copy this and paste for other sections also. Change the y-axis and x-axis values. Now we will add the scroll magic to it, which will animate the images with scroll effect. When we scroll, it will animate. Add the triggered element where we want to add this scene with the duration. Now set the twin and set the pin where we want to add the animation. Now we will refresh it. It is not animated, so we will connect our internet. For the previewing of the animation, you have to just connect with your internet. I have cleared the history because I have just run the project before also on the Explorer. So I have cleared the history. Now it is animated as you see. Now we will code the animation for the other section. Now for the third section, we have this creating, add the values to x-axis. For this is for the glass image. Now copy this and paste 4 times. Now for the splash and the orange image, we will be adding the x axis also. Now add the scene for the scroll magic scene. Add the variable for it. Now we will add the triggered element right here, third section, because we want the animation to add this animation on the third section. Add duration. Now set the twin. The images has aligned, but it is not performing the animation, so we will connect our net with it once again. I have added the animation for the fourth section also. So it is now animated. I have skipped that part. You can follow the steps with the source code which I have provided in the description. So it is done. Now we will move forward to the slider. Now add a file. I have named it to recipes.html. added the normal HTML code and the CSS for this, because we need special others CSS for this. So I have separate the CSS file and added in the same HTML code. Now we will coding the slider part. Add a section. Now add a div and add UL under it with class slider list. Now we will add the li tags with class slider list item. Now we will add a span tag and add image to it. This is the image for the back element of the bottle. It is showing only the wallpaper which I have added with the CSS. It will show after some time when we add the whole HTML code and the JS script. Copy this and paste 2 times and rename the class for main element and front element, and change the images for this. On the main element add the bottle image, and on the front element add the upper fruits you want to add on the bottle, that it will indicate the ingredients of the juice. Now we'll add a title element. Add a span tag and the class with title. Now add another span tag sorry, I have added the class to the closing of the add it under for the span tag class. Add more elements. This is for the button and the text which is showing on the left side of the images. Now add another span tag with class contain, and containing the another span tag with class headline, which will have the headline and the subheadline for it. Ingredients for the juice. We are creating this for the Juicy J juice product. Now add another span class for the button. Add another div class into it with class name fill, which will add color to it. Add a anchor tag with button name open catalog. Now we will copy the first slider list 2 times more and add the images for it and change the named headline for it and title. Now we will add the side arrows for it. Copy this and add 2 times. This is for the navigating slider. Now we will add the arrows. Now we will write the JS code for it. Now we will add a class side slider. with constructor. Now add the root element, this dot root element. Now we will add the slide lengths. Now add this dot is animating, set it to false. Now add the direction. Now add base animation settings. Now add the elasticity for it. Copy this and paste it here. Now add the animation for the title, which is in between the front and the bottle. Back and the bottle. Now we will add the query selector. Now add the query selector on the navbar and for the thumb and the preview and the next button. Now we will add it on the slider list item. Now we'll bind the event. Follow the steps. Now add the self is animating to true. Now add the animation effect. Add the anim. Using the anim.js, we will creating the this. Add on the base anim settings. I have added the settings for other on the other front, back and title, and I have added the bin events, so it will look like this. How it cool looking. The animation is very cool. So you will get the source code in the description box. The whole code will be in it. This recipe.html file will also be included in. This is the full landing page. The animation is very cool. You can make any product landing animation which will have the good impact on the marketing of that product. And this is the ingredients of the product which I have displayed through an animated slider. The whole CSS and images will be in the source code. So that's all for this video. Thank you. See you next again. As you now watch the full video, if you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are a new user watching my YouTube channel, please press the red subscribe button because in future I will upload more content like this on my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. It will notify you when I upload a new video. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel to get knowledge.